Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Tesco credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address bar at the top of the screen, soon after you do that, go ahead and type in Tesco credit card login and press enter. From the search results, click on this first link that says Online Banking Login Tesco Bank. In order to get access to your credit card account, you'll need to be logged into your online banking account for Tesco. So go ahead and type in your username under Online Banking tab. Make sure to type in your information correct. In case you've forgotten your information, click on I've forgotten right next to username. If you want the system to remember your username, you can check this remember username box, but if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave the box unchecked. After typing your username, click on the login button. On the next page, your account will be verified and you'll be asked to enter your password for your account. Simply type in the password correct and finally log into your account by clicking on the login button. So after you do that, you'll be able to access your credit card account for Tesco Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.